Welcome back to Mount Western Raceway. 2 cars going into Road Warriors. One for Po Boy, one for Mark D from CUTROCK'R Racing. Let's have a look. This first one here is Turbo Fire. This is a Leslie, I think that's how you pronounce it. Leslie Roll-O-Matic Matchbox car. Beautiful looking machine, got some nice weight. I think this will go really well on the track. It just looks like it's really suited to this sort of fat track. It is a Matchbox, did I say that? And I can't see the year, if there is a year on that. There's probably not. Mark D will have more information if you're interested in this. Mark D is one of Australia's leading die-cast builders. You've seen him on the track before. Heading into this one, this is for Po Boy, and this is a Hot Wheels Fat Fended 40. Another well-built machine, and I just want to mention that these wheels are supplied by Metal Mania 3D. Head over and check out KC and his channel. He is another premier die-cast builder. He does restorations. He's a really fantastic guy, and he is a premier builder. Check him out, man. He has some stunning work. So these wheels are called Comolds. I think that's how you pronounce them. Comolds. KC, I need a stack of these. I've got a whole lot of cars that need some wheels, and I'll be in contact with you. Look at the wheel spin on that. About 5 seconds. So for more information on those, head over and check out Metal Mania 3D, and he might be able to give you some more information. He actually does sell those on his website. All right, let's send them down the track. There you go, 2 mighty fine contenders for Road Warriors Season 3. We're just waiting on some more parcels to come in. We're about a week late, so just bear with us, guys. It'll happen very, very soon. Thank you, Mark D. Thank you, Po Boy Racing. Until next time, catch you later.